All right, today's Spin Venture, we are riding the rails at Kirby Family Farms Christmas train.
Hi.
We are all, of course.
Mackenzie and Lizzie.
Yes.
Say hi.
We are ready 20 minutes from now. We are going to hop aboard the Christmas train.
It's called the Polar Express, really.
Well, it's called the Kirby Family Farms Christmas train, but we will call it the Polar Express.
Because that's what they named it. They're pretending it's a Polar Express. And as you're wondering if they sell hot chocolate,
they do sell hot chocolate
cookies.
And cookies. Thank you from the by us.
This girl.
Anyway, so here aboard the Polar Express Christmas train. And we will take a ride around the farm in the town of Florida, which is a small town outside of Gainesville. Macanopy is not too far away. It was actually a quick trip here. It was only about 25 minutes to get here. We are waiting in line for our entry, and we will, and then once we go in, we will hop aboard the Christmas train and ride, and then we will do some other activities that are here at Kirby Family Farms. My first time being here. It's going to be fun. I got my train shirt, so I'll be ready to ride the rails here shortly. In about 20 minutes, we will hop aboard the Christmas train. All right, we're in.
Did you get checked in?
I did.
It was easy, right?
It was easy. She didn't even. Hey, remember, kids, Santa gets tired at 9 o'clock. No smoking or vaping on the train. Rides and activities close at 9. Last train ride leaves at 9 o'clock. Please be aware of flashing lights and lasers. Ooh. There, see? Yes. What?
Take a picture.
There's Addie. Oh, wait. Okay, so Elsa just walked out. No. Elsa just walked out. Oh, I meant Lindsay.
She wants us to spread out.
With the bunny ears, as she always does.
No, I don't always do it.
But we have Elsa and the Nutcracker coming out to greet us at the entryway at the railroad crossing. Watch out for trains. Okay, so the track for the train are not the real size and length of track. They are smaller scale. And the scale of the track is not as a real train line. It's a smaller scale. I don't know what type of scale it is, but it is a smaller scale. These tracks are not authentic. They're not as a real trains run on. So, as I was looking and as I was standing in line, these tracks are smaller, it's a smaller scale. Very interesting. All right, we're going in. We're going in. Who's yelling?
Yeah!
Oh my.
Come over a little, you're on a hill.
1, 2, 3. And Addie is way up there. Across the tracks, y'all see. Not at right scale. We're heading in. We have the Grinch and Elsa and the Nutcracker greeting us as we walk into the... Addie, look, there's Elsa. There's Elsa and the Grinch. Ooh. There's Elsa and the Grinch and the Nutcracker.
Roasted corn.
Or an elf. I meant.
Street corn. Who wants street corn?
No.
What do you mean no?
Take a picture with Elsa.
We have a carousel.
You can get on the rides.
Not now. After the train ride. Train ride's at 6. So.
Do the train ride first? Or is there multiple train rides? Or is there just one train ride?
I think, no, there's multiple.
approximately 7:45, 8 o'clock will be the dance party in front of the stage where we'll have all the characters out here dancing.
Oh, that'd be so
And
much
here we
fun.
have a special character supposed to dance with you tonight. This is Martha. She drives the train. Everybody give a big welcome to Martha.
Hey!
We love
Welcome.
Martha too.
Hey, thank you. On the truck. So we are boarding the platform of the train station. As you see, all these people are already looking in, but we are boarding. We will board here shortly on the train. That's our ride right there.
Here, get on Jack's shoulder.
Oh, I am now. We are now boarding, about to board the train.
Yay, train time!
Yay! All right.
What about Patrick?
You should switch it.
I knew. There we go. Now we're rolling in. Look, they are excited.
Oh, hi!
Merry Christmas, everybody.
This is my cousin, Daisy.
All right, so we got the carousel
Look, it's Princess Elsa.
and have some more fun.
That's not real.
Daddy think it's
What about whenever we show her the Santa Claus, what should we do?
Surprise!
Yay! All right, and we're
My
moving.
name is Miss Stella. I will be your conductor this evening, along with conductor Ty running sound.
We are on the road.
Please remain seated at all times. Please remain seated at all times, as this
We
is
are
for your
moving.
safety and those around you. We also recommend tools such as phones, keys, wallets, purses, etc., as things have fallen off of the train before. And we also ask that you keep all hands and feet inside of the train at all times.
I
Please
know,
keep
I'm
all
seeing
hands
it,
and
I've
feet
got it.
inside of the train at all
Look
times.
at the steam.
When are we going to get the hot shot?
There's Elsa waving us goodbye. Oh wow, look at the engine. That is cool. You can see the steam coming out of the smokestack in the engine as we wave goodbye to everybody, and the smoke
We hope
as
you enjoy this magical train ride here at Kirby Family Farm.
this will be fun. I love this. So,
All right, once again, please remain seated at all times. Please remain seated at all times and enjoy the ride.
That's the other Christmas thing.
Yeah. You take that on Monday.
wait, what other train?
Right there. Johnny was pulling her.
Oh, yeah, that's the one on the weekdays.
That's special.
That's the we get put in a boxcar. We get put in a boxcar. Oh no, they could use that for Halloween.
That would work.
That would be awesome.
Merchants have it. That Mackenzie is mine.
No, where was it?
Mackenzie's mine. I'm joking. Merchants have it. It would be more on you.
Oh look, that's called a switcher. A switcher. It switches the cars back and forth to the right engine. The Barnum and Bailey Circus. Oh wow.
I wonder if they bought that.
They probably did. I'll probably have copyright music due to Maliki Maka. But that's alright. But look at all the Christmas lights. Merry Christmas from the reindeers. You know, I would take pictures, but all the lights are on this side, and it's a lot easier just to show you guys the ride. While Mackenzie and Daisy in front of me are admiring the Christmas lights. How do you like them, Daisy? Here comes a sea dragon. That's a sea dragon. I see a gingerbread house or Santa's workshop.
Yeah, that's a Santa's workshop.
That's Santa's workshop? All right, according to
Does that
Mackenzie.
look like a gingerbread man to you?
Oh, no, that's an elf.
Exactly. Did you even tell the YouTube where we are?
We are. We're at Kirby Family Farms. Christmas
yeah,
tree.
and Spencer thinks Elvis and gingerbread man, like he's clearly more.
No,
The glasses is
that looks like a big miss.
No, it's a mountain with stuff going up there.
Oh, yeah. That's the sea dragon, the Santa dragon.
Look, its tail's moving and
Yep.
its mouth is going.
This is fantastic.
Oh, look, it's Elvis Presley.
I see Frosty the Snowman back there.
Guys, it's Elvis Presley.
Why is Elvis in here? Okay.
Elvis.
Daisy, did you put Elvis in there?
Wait, remember, this is when
I know.
Elvis song. Wait, that's
I know that. Elvis from Memphis, my home state, not hometown. About an hour away. See, Daisy, I told you that's Santa's depot. That's the train depot.
Wow.
That means it's a train station.
I know, and this train's going by.
Yep, because the lights are. Look at the lights on the crossing.
Noah, and his arm. Noah and all.
Noah's Ark. Hey, we got Noah's Ark.
The
The nativity scene. We got Jesus in the manger.
Noah, you're not.
On joy. Huh? Yeah. There's Noah. Noah's Ark.
Oh, let's go Santa. There's Santa with it.
And we got Santa Claus with Rudolph at the front, of course. Rudolph, red-nosed reindeer.
And Dancer Prancer, Vixen, and a lot of others, but they're not there.
Yeah, Daisy, not all 9 reindeer are there.
Who cares?
Exactly.
At least Rudolph's there. We got Rudolph.
Where is it? Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes, yep. He's
I
sliding,
didn't even look for this
he's
side.
sliding down the ski slope. We got all the toy drums, the bear, teddy bear, the rocking horse. Gingerbread house on this side. Kind of going both ways here.
What the
There's the, yeah, Daisy, there's
What the
the,
heck is that?
that's an airplane.
That is not a sled. He needs to ride in a sled, not a... Oh, look, there's where Jesus' stable is supposed to be. And then those are the 3 little camels.
Oh my, hey, tunnel, and the lights went out. That's awesome.
Oh, look,
Did we just go from Christmas to Halloween? Just like that? I think we're going into a haunted tunnel now. Oh wait, not a haunted. What else do you want to say? Oh, that's why they turned it off, because to see all the lights on the trees, all the holiday lights. Oh wow. Oh, this is awesome.
no, this is scary because Daisy looks like she's about to fall.
Are we on a bridge?
Here, Dave.
I'm actually...
We have entered the twilight zones.
Goodbye, Daisy.
I thought it was a tunnel, but it wasn't. It's just a tunnel of trees with Christmas lights sparkling.
Hey, Mackenzie.
Tunnel of trees. Oh, there we go. Got the nativity scene.
I got one.
Oh, I know.
Daisy, don't do that.
Be careful when you It's bleeding.
Don't worry, we're on a.
How far down do you think that
Find out.
Let's find out.
Hey, Scott. I see some light over there.
I want to go back to study one.
To what? Study hall.
Study, wow, not a giant hill. And my side's like leaning. It's leaning.
It is. It's. I think we're on like a.
The and we go to. We're just gonna go to. We're gonna come.
Walk back to nobody's ever come back and said, hey, this is a great time.
Look, there's somebody. Look, there's somebody. Hi.
Definitely kidding.
You're definitely not a statue.
We are. The lights are off though.
Merry Christmas from Kirby family.
We're slowing down really slow, as in stopping.
Oh, there's an old restaurant.
Oh, it might be a light show. Maybe. That's what I think. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh.
It's jingle bell time.
Russ, I'm gonna hear you rapping this.
It's jingle bell time.
It's a jingle bell time. Wait, Santa Claus is talking.
That's gonna be about.
Oh yeah.
Look, there's somebody walking.
Yeah, no. It's just a worker. It's the engineer. Oh yeah. Yo. This is awesome. I like how everybody's just like, yeah. Yeah.
Look, there's a little bit.
Yeah. That's Santa right there.
That's Santa.
Who?
That's Santa.
Yeah. Addie's dancing too.
I know Rudolph's singing. Have you? Mommy, Santa and Rudolph are singing.
Turn, Chip.
If you enjoyed that, let me hear your Christmas clap.
Yeah.
Your train is taking off again, so once again, please remain seated at all times. Please remain seated at all times.
That was cool. Okay, I wasn't expecting.
All right, you chicks, ready to sing your song? Okay, Simon? Okay, Theodore?
Alright, yes, we are approaching the platform once again. Please remain seated at all times. Please remain seated at all times until
We
the
are
train
back at
comes
the
to a complete
station.
stop. If you enjoyed that train ride, let me hear you make some noise. We have lots of stuff out here on the farm, so feel free to explore. My goodness, what all we have to offer. Get yourself a hot cocoa from the Choo Choo Diner. Kids 10 and under can go to the elf shop and pick out a free gift and get it wrapped for themselves or a loved one. And then right next to the elf shop, you can get your picture taken with Santa Claus. You can tell us what you want for Christmas this year.
I want s'more. S'more's fun. Oh, we're here.
Eventually, the Ringling Brothers. This will be back in time.
Oh, yeah. No, have you been to the Ringling Brothers Museum?
My brother and I went to the Ringling Brothers circuses when they were popular.
Oh, wow. So,
I remember wanting like things on.
What, baby?
No.
Baby, no.
Oh, yeah.
Say sorry,
So we're heading up. So where are we going?
Hi, baby mouse.
Hi.
For them, it's like
Where are we
Baby
going?
mouse.
Where do you want to go?
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're walking.
Once we get out to the station,
Right.
I'm right here. I'm right behind you.
Maddie, are you saying Baby Mac?
Hey, Julie, I think we've been here.
Was she saying Baby? Spencer, was she saying Baby
Did I
Mac?
go here?
Yeah.
Was this for a field trip? What corn maze did I go to?
That's in the
No,
fall.
that's in Newberry. Silly.
Is that the one that you went to with Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Baby mouse.
Maybe not.
Baby mouse.
Right here, straight ahead.
Come back, baby mouse.
I'm here.
Come back.
There's Nelson.
Come back.
We're going to get s'mores now. It's chocolate. Lily wants chocolate, so we're going to get s'mores. You cannot pass. No, you can't.
No, it's wrong.
It's wrong.
Oh.
Oh, fudge.
Okay, let's go to the free.
The girls are off. They are off to go to the Santa shop. Secret elf shop.
Toys. Free
Yes,
toys.
free toys. Hey, anything free, I'm in. Okay, so we're gonna have freeze-dried Skittles, Rice Krispie treat. Donnie, what in the world are you playing? Oh, that's it.
Freeze-dried Skittle. Here, there's one more.
Thank you.
From the tent. And then this is a freeze-dried candy corn.
Oh, candy corn?
Be good, huh?
Freeze-dried candy corn.
Freeze-dried candy corn, everybody.
Russ, can try that.
Russ.
I want to try freeze-dried candy corn.
Sorry. You can get it when we're done. You go over that tent over there.
Oh boy, Daisy got a backpack. What?
Get the backpack.
Good idea. Good job.
That's a good.
I tried to get her to get the jeans.
Lindsay, what did you get?
So cute.
What did Lindsay get? What did that is?
It's
I can't even see in the light. There we go.
Is it like a food thing?
Oh, it's more food.
there is a
It's
jacket there and there's a shirt. It won't fit her.
Oh, I know. There was jacket in there. I thought there'd be an iPod Touch.
She was wanting something like that anyways the other day, and I told her we had so much. So.
There
You
we
like
go,
that?
Lindsay. You got
like that
it.
toy?
Backpack, but she already have a backpack.
So, Daisy, you got a backpack?
I wish it was a present. But I want the backpack to look like it's full, so I'm gonna...
Oh, nice. Yeah, so leave the paper in there until you get home.
Yeah, because it'll just like flatten out if
what
I
did
take
Lizzie
it
pick?
out.
Right. And then y'all both got backpacks.
I love this.
That's a-
What you got?
I love it.
She got what you got, so y'all wouldn't fight.
What Addie
Or are you gonna use it to toss him into the backpack? Hold on, Sissy got a backpack. Are you sure that's what you want?
She got a ham.
I got
What'd she get? A hamster?
What?
All right, so it's kind of nice. We've got a little carnival here with the for the kiddos out here. This is the Wacky Worm World, I guess. And it's kind of nice though because they have something for everybody out here at Kirby Family Farms, including the train ride. The train ride was the most packed, but once you get off the train and out of the station, it's very wide open, very open. And I like that, especially for the kids to run around and everything else. We'll also have rides for the little ones. Very fun. Then I might go check out some samples. There goes Addie and Lizzie. So this is a mystery, guys. We have a fenced in, but it looks like a ride was here. Well, what ride? Because there's the control panel. Control unit. I'll zoom around here. It doesn't have it in there, of course. But there it is. That's what was the control panel would be to operate the ride. But what ride was here? Because it looks like it would have been a ride. Because they would have had it in the middle, right here. And then it would go around. You can see kind of the path that it made right there. Huh, interesting. What ride was here? Okay, so first, it is operating a carnival ride. Awesome.
Did you get a video?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, it's a first for me, even if it's just as simple as a boat ride. Very unique. I like it. There it is. Very fun place. Alright, so we're over at the little gift shop here where they got tons of pop socket for your Crocs. I mean, it looks like Bigfoot, but it's not. Brooklyn Nets, it's Kevin Durant. Oh wow, a basketball. There we go. Focus. Snowman. Oh, that's pretty. Lizzie's like, what about rubber ducks?
Do you like those horse?
Oh, yeah.
$2. Around in a circle like this.
Yep.
That I can tolerate.
Right. Like the Ferris wheel, I cannot tolerate.
Oh, now I can do the Ferris wheel. But if it's a ride
Where you are, if the ride comes to a complete stop. Just so you're aware of it, there's no longer spin.
Okay, I figured. Yeah, that's okay, right, Adeline?
Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop.
Okay.
But the ones that go around really fast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, those are like that's like the Scrambler and Tilt-A-Whirl.
I call them all Vomatrons.
Vomatrons, I like it.
Yes.
I like it. And we're off. Okay, all of a sudden we're just no warning whatsoever. You're up and up down. Okay. This is ow. We are on a really old carousel. Yes. I know. Addie, what? Addie, it doesn't spin. Oh my. I do like the Christmas lights in the distance. You can hear the train. I'm just gonna film out here as we ride through in a circle. There's the Ferris wheel.
Oh, okay.
Can't find the train yet. That's the tractor. There's the tree. Got people shopping. A really wide open area as we venture on into the on this old carousel. I bet this is permanent because it's bolted down in the concrete. So, yeah. Tractor. We're on the track, going to the tractor. Joe. Come on, let's climb aboard the tractor. No, we can come in.
Slide down, people.
Oh no.
Get in.
Yeah, right here. Come on. Oop. Yeah, come
Mama
on.
said in there. Okay.
Yeah, all right, we're in.
Here, switch with me, Spencer.
Okay. Yeah. There we go. Ow.
The seat's rusty.
Ugh.
What am I saying?
I know. Now we're on the tractor, so we're gonna go.
Sit down. You gotta sit
We're gonna go into the great unknown. That was, yeah. Yep. Off-road again. Oh yeah, no. It's an old train back there. Yay. It does look stuck. Oh, I hope we're going straight. Yay, we're going into the abyss. Oh, yay. We're going into the abyss. We're going into the dark tunnel. What's that? Christmas Town? Why is Christmas Town not lit up? See, during the Halloween season, they have, this is a haunted train ride. Or not train, but... Oh, look. We're passing by 6-gun territory. This is where they do their reenactments. Okay.
We haven't had people in this town ever since it lost its Christmas spirit.
Oh.
Say, you folks want to help me restore this town to its former glory?
Yes. Yeah.
What's a better way to bring around holiday cheer than to sing Christmas carol? Come on, let's sing.
What? Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, pretty.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But it was haunted. No, it's not haunted.
Haunted Christmas.
Welcome to the Nightmare Before Christmas with Jack Skellington and Sally.
Did you see Alabama one?
They did?
Yeah, 27-24.
Well, I guess Ohio State's out of the playoff now.
Yeah.
Because Georgia was supposed to win.
Right. So now who does that?
So
did Alabama go or Georgia go?
No, Georgia's still in. Georgia will still be in because they only have that one loss.
Yeah. But then what about Alabama?
Alabama will jump.
FSU?
No, because FSU would have to lose.
No, it's
If FSU
So Alabama, Georgia, yeah. Washington and who else is already in?
Washington, Michigan,
We've got a lot of food around here.
Did
and
Michigan play their game yet?
so we restored the Christmas spirit, and but now we're in a. I know you guys can't see me, but we are in the forest now. We're on the hunt for Bigfoot, Sasquatch. So let me know if y'all see him. It's the Santa Sasquatch. Okay. There's the amusement park, carnival in the distance. Christmas lights. Sorry it's a bit bumpy, but we are still on our way with the Christmas tree lit up. Very pretty. So, all right, so we are entering the Welcome and Go Nuts. Oh, it's this little. It does smell like pizza.
It does smell like pizza, like some kind of bread, like baked bread.
Baked bread.
Dad,
Isn't this cool?
I like this.
I think this is like really cool.
Dad, can we get funnel cake?
I feel cramped. Yep.
Menu. This is chili.
Cash only. Man, I should have brought cash.
Boiled peanuts, ribbon fries. What are those? They have Mountain Dew here? Wow. Must be Pepsi products. Cash only. Bummer. Oh, it looks like now it's time to gather around the campfire. Really? That's hot. That's hot.
Oh, hot chocolate. We found that. Okay, let me hold it while you're going to do a marshmallow. Careful. Hot chocolate.
Oh, Lord.
Found it.
It's on the hot chocolate.
Daisy, we don't put it in the fire.
Don't put it in the fire. And back.
Adeline, here, let me help you.
I was gonna, yeah. So Pikachu was my favorite Pokemon growing up. Pikachu.
I really like him a lot, too.
I mean, he shoots lightning out of his cheeks. Yeah. Pikachu. Holy cow. Look
Okay, Grinch, don't fall out. You ran too fast, my friend. You didn't even let them catch up.
He said the same thing. Let's just go over and tackle him.
He's kind of a moody guy, ain't he? He is, huh?
Some toy soldiers here, the gingerbread man.
Should we search him and make sure he didn't steal anything?
Yes. Search him.
You want to? No, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Look, we got security on him.
Oh, okay, we got security. That's
What is that? Okay, put those away. There's kids here. It's a kids-friendly. All right. We got a little something going. Oh, you got a little shake going, huh? Woo!
Oh, the gingerbread man is going at it. Look at the gingerbread man. Hey. You gotta dance for it. You gotta dance for it. Oh yeah.
Don't stop it. Don't stop moving. Don't stop moving. I need to move. Oh, now you want to dance, Grinch? It's about time.
Yeah. Out of the way, gingerbread man. Gingerbread man, go.
Get that big one.
Which one?
Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up.
Here you go.
Come on, guys. Jump on it. If you say
Whoa.
if you freak dead and own it. Come show me. Come on, dance. Jump on it. If you say
Wow, nice catch. Intercepted. And it's snowing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. And it's snowing. Alright. You gotta reach for it. They have one. Nice catch, Ross. Nice catch. You got it. I don't think I got one. No, I didn't get one yet. Oh, I dropped it. No, I dropped it. It literally was coming right from my hand. I dropped it. Right. Alright, I'm gonna try to get one here. Oh, we can too. I didn't get one yet. I'm falling. Hey. Nice cue. Oh yeah.
All right, so the Grinch asked for a song, so y'all got to do.
A sinister way, you mean? Yeah, through the haunted ghost tunnel.
Is that recording right now?
I know, I gave you one.
Catch me recording and
I got one. Yeah.
Oh, we could get the train coming right down here.
Hey, come on, let's go. Hurry up. We gotta cross.
No, the train's gonna stop right there.
Yeah, let's go. Quick. No, it's going to the station first. But we gotta go. Yeah. Come on.
Addie's gotta cross the train.
Come on, baby. Come on.
She gotta cross the train.
No, it's not. It's gonna stop at the
It's stopping at the station. It's gotta get more people.
Okay. Look how cool that is.
I like the light. Oh my word, that's awesome. But all right, so thank you all for joining me here at Kirby Family Farms Christmas Train. It was a lot of fun, a lot of stuff to do here, a lot of carnival rides, plus the train, plus just the elves and also the shops, even a gift shop where kids can not purchase, but get a free gift for themselves or for someone else.
Hey, did you get one of these?
So I'm gonna get one too.
More of us.
All right. All right. So thank you all for joining me here at Kirby Family Farms Christmas Train in Williston, and a lot of fun here. I definitely want to come back next year, I think, just to ride the train and enjoy the ambiance.
Thanks,
Of
I've
the-
noticed.
of the. So, very fun spin venture here in Williston.
If it doesn't please me.
And we will see you guys
Yeah.
on the next spin venture, wherever it is. Hope to see you there. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to Spin Ventures, and turn on the notification, ring the bell, blow the whistle, as the trains do, as we venture off into the night. Time to load up and go